memories. Fucking memories of that thug nigga. Hollywood. I did this one in that nigga name. Hollywood nigga, y'all remember that he was about, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna let you about that motherfucking money. Nigga.
Kill cocaine and get a nigga killed. And a banana clip will get his whole high flipped. He bring the danger to the life of his homeboys. You can sit him on, but let him alone, run alone, boy. About my money, we gon' bump heads and it won't be long. So I got two choppers, one for the cop and one for the home. Got extra clip over there, all gold. Next tails and then these dive tones. And code the game for these old tap ass cell phones. And new backbone for my new trail home. You ain't been out of jail long, but nigga, you dead wrong. About my money, nigga, you shouldn't have played with it. You gon' remember that day when his AK hit you. About my money, no shit, ain't nothing funny. Don't start ducking and running, wanna go and gun about my money. And sonny, don't be studying and looking funny. When I ask about my motherfucking money, no shit, ain't nothing funny. Don't start ducking and running, wanna go to gun about my money. And sonny, don't be studying and looking funny. Have my motherfucking money. In the book of thugs, chapter 8K, verse 47. And it tells me all thug niggas go to heaven. But between the lines of verse 48 and 9, it speaks so thug niggas drug dealing and doing time. But verse 100, talking about my money. You say it's full of blood, so off me if it's funny. But nigga, I don't wanna hold your gold, I just wanna free your soul. To be seen somewhere in public when all this shit unfolds. I done gave you 2 breaks and you ain't gave me that shit. Run around in your new bubble life while my verse shit looking sick. Hold no scene, I just want my cream. And you can keep your little watches ring, they go bling bling. About my money, no shit, ain't nothing funny. Don't start ducking and running, wanna go and gun about my money. And sonny, don't be studying and looking funny. When I ask about my motherfucking money, no shit, ain't nothing funny. Don't start ducking and running, wanna go to gun about my money. And sonny, don't be studying and looking funny. Have my motherfucking money. Don't get you, don't fuck niggas nothing but a shit bag and bullet holes. You know, bloody clothes out of all the niggas you motherfucking know. I should've been the last nigga you wanted motherfucking know. I meet you at the front door and I'm bringing my calico, nigga. You ain't got my throw your ass. I got to go to maybe them and lay them all down on the fucking floor. I'm about to go them all because I had problems out of y'all before. About my money, I came in it. It was sunny having that this nigga I own. Next nigga to go, they ain't got me 20 G's now on. 84, ain't my motherfucking phone. I'm short by 64, ass nigga ain't gon' front me no more. Fucking fuck with me, nigga. Fucked up my connection. Thug life again.
I do not own the rights to that music. Stop crypto credit moves. So just waiting on a withdrawal from Ruby Mine. I withdrew 2 avax. 2 avax. That's about 75 a piece, so that's about 150 bucks. I'm waiting on Simple Swipe to confirm, and it will be going to my wallet. I'm gonna pause right here. All right, we back. So before I went to go to the deposit, I did want to go over the avax Ruby mine. So the contract has been declining, and it's just like any other platform. A lot of eating has been going on. A lot of people been taking their investment out, which is fine. I think it will find a base and it'll stop. So it's not a hard decline, but it has been declining. So when you're getting these platforms, that's just something you want to watch. So it's dropped about 3,000 AVAC contracts in about 3 days. So it's been a trickle down, a slow trickle down. I'm not too concerned. I'm going to continue to rehire, reinvest at least 4 or 5 days, and then I'll take out maybe 2 days a week. And that'll be how I'll operate with Ruby Mine. AVAX has also been declining. So let's check and see if I got my payment. 145 deposit. So AVAX paid out. It's that time of the month. It's getting close to the first of the month. Got to cash out to get ready for these bills. Keep that pressure off of us. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just here to share what I'm doing. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Until next time, let's get some money.